tablets are not the hot commodity that they once were. As a result, we are seeing fewer models, less diverse options, and less choice all around. The good news is that it is increasingly simple to find a decent, cheap Android tablet. Tablets are still great for e-reading users, as a kid's device, and the list goes on. So, without further ado, here are the best cheap Android tablets you can currently buy. You could have a tablet in there for fitness instructions or simply use it as a huge stopwatch. Musicians, designers, model builders, tinkerers, PC builders, any activity where your hands get dirty or things get chaotic could benefit from a dedicated cheap Android tablet at the ready. Android slates in particular comes in all shapes and sizes, and devices with similar specs can feel totally different in day-to-day use. If you have no interest in the iPad, check out our list of top 5 best budget Android tablet alternatives below.
Here at Top Up Zone, we are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create our list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guidelines so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
The Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 appears in 3 different colors such as dark grey, silver and gold. It is fueled by a non-removable LiPo 7040 mAh battery plus fast charging. The tablet comes in a dimension of 9.75 into 6.2 into 0.28 inches. The body of this Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 10.4 consists of a single camera, 8 megapixel AF on the rear side, when on the front there is 5 megapixel for clicking selfies. The tablet provides a 3.5mm jack and it is powered by the Qualcomm SM6115 Snapdragon 662 processor, and the tablet comes with a display size of 10.4 inches that has an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen. The tablet gives a resolution of 1200 into 2000 pixels. It also provides 3GB RAM with 32GB and 64GB internal storage. In fact, users can expand the internal storage by microSD-XC. So for those looking for the ultimate Android tablet, this Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 review has shown you every reason why it's more than worthy of your consideration. With a decent screen, reasonable speakers, respectable battery life, and enough performance to make it through most activities, the Amazon Fire HD10 functions well as an everyday tablet. The screen on the Amazon Fire HD10 is very decent. With a resolution of 1920 x 1200, it is decently sharp and it also gets reasonably bright. It is powered by a 2 GHz MediaTek MT8183 octa-core processor and 2 GB of RAM. There are 32GB and 64GB options available, both of which support up to 512GB of external storage with a microSD card. With a 10.1-inch panel on its front, the Amazon Fire HD10 certainly has the space to provide your content a little breathing room. Whether movies, TV, books or otherwise, having more acreage is an automatic advantage over any smartphone, and whilst it's a device that is designed almost solely for content consumption. So if you are in the market for a simple, media-focused tablet, the Fire HD10 is easily your best bet. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is a well-rounded iPad competitor, and it is arguably the best non-premium tablet the company has ever put out. It has strengths from the inclusion of the S Pen to software customization options and a fairly robust and good-looking design. The key feature of the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is that it enters with an S Pen stylus. It is actually the most affordable Samsung tablet to come with a stylus, which is great for doodling, note-taking, and annotating. It has a 10.4-inch LCD screen with a 2000 x 1200 resolution. Even the screen quality is pretty good for LCD. It is nice and bright and easy to view even while you are outdoors. It is built well and provides solid battery life. If you want an Android tablet and don't mind spending a little extra, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is also available and offers a more powerful processor. The new Apple iPad delivers a big speed boost without boosting the price, and that's exactly what shoppers on a budget are looking for in a tablet. Thanks to Apple's A12 Bionic chip, the new iPad gives you more performance for everything from games and editing photos to juggling multiple apps. It remains light and portable, and it is a solid aluminum and glass design. It sports the same 10.2-inch Retina display as the previous generation, offering up to 500 nits of brightness along with 2160 x 1620 pixel resolution. This panel is great for surfing the web, scrolling through photos, and watching Netflix. With the powerful A12 Bionic chip, support for Apple Pencil, and the smart keyboard, and the awesome new things you can do with iPad OS 14. Overall, the iPad 2020 is a very strong value and one of the best tablets for the money. If you are looking for an Alexa smart screen that can also double as a portable tablet, well, Lenovo Tab P10 10.1-inch Android tablet is for you. It works well as a smart screen, it works okay as an Android tablet, and it looks and feels nice in the hand. It looks and feels higher end than its rival from Amazon. Its back and front are flat panes of glass with a sandwich of aluminum in the middle. It has a 10.1-inch 920 x 1200 pixel screen. At this size, you can see clear pixelation if you get remotely close. Even it has 4 GB of RAM. It has a 7000 mAh battery, roughly 10% larger than the Kindle Fire HD10's battery. Like most tablets, the Lenovo Tab P10 has basic cameras. There is an 8 megapixel sensor on the rear of the device and a 5 megapixel unit on the front. Also, image quality is passable at best. This tablet is not for everyone, especially if you are not looking for Alexa skills, but for those who are in that ecosystem, it could work very well.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.